All right, I am out here in Heron River in Star, Idaho, one of the most walkable neighborhoods, and I'm here with Tracy and Wendy, and we are gonna walk from Heron River to get some coffee to show you exactly how walkable it really is. So let's go. Okay, so that was it. That's how close we are to all the coffee, the
grocery shopping, the Papa Murphy's pizza, liquor store.
Everything is right here. So you just walk out, get your coffee in the morning, which we're gonna do right now. Or if you want to come for lunch, it's a beautiful day, whatever. It's right here, 5-minute walk.
Oh, absolutely. And I can smell the barbecue in the air already.
Let's go get some
Let's
barbecue.
get some barbecue.
And here we are. This is what all that walking was for. Right at the edge of the neighborhood, you've got Ridley's, a full-size grocery store. This is your Sunday morning out of milk, walk, don't drive kind of store. Two doors down, Coffee, Beans, and Brews right here in the same plaza. Tracy and Wendy could not walk past this one, and honestly, neither could I. Grab a drink, take a look around. It has got that sit and stay a while feel. This isn't a gas station coffee run. This is a place you actually want to be. Right next door, Ace Hardware, and in summer that means a full garden center out front, flowers, veggie starts, everything for the yard. When you can walk home carrying your tomato plants, that is walkable. And it is all connected. Sidewalks the whole way, short blocks, everything, within a few minutes of the front door. Now for dinner, you've got the Tap House and Proof right here. Sit down food, a place to meet friends on a Friday night, all a short walk from home. And then the everyday stuff that actually matters, a liquor store, and the one everybody forgets, a UPS store. For the returns, the shipping, all of it right here, walking distance. So that is the trip out. Now let's walk it back, because the neighborhood you come home to is just as good as the one you left. Back inside Heron River, it is wide streets, deep green lawns, and homes with real room to breathe. Single levels, 2 stories, a little bit of everything. Stone, siding, craftsman fronts, all of it kept up, all of it grown in. This is a neighborhood that is clearly proud of itself. And the yards do a lot of the talking. Mature trees, tidy edges, and enough space between houses that it never feels crowded. Quiet cul-de-sacs, low traffic, the kind of streets where kids still ride bikes. That is the trade you get out here. And it is not just houses, there is pickleball courts right here in the community, shaded spots to sit, paths to walk, and shops you can actually reach on foot. That is Heron River right here in Star, Idaho. If there is a neighborhood you want me to tour next, drop it in the comments. I'm Greg, this is Go Idaho, and I'll see you on the next one.